Are you skipping marination because it's a hassle or hard to remember ahead of time? If you've been looking for easy ways on how to marinate chicken at home and what to do with marinated chicken, I have the perfect chicken marinade freezer recipes for you. This technique gives you a marinade for tender chicken every time without having to plan ahead. Grabbing your chicken from the freezer, already marinated, is the ultimate time saver for the best grilled chicken marinade recipe you've ever tried. Hi friend, come on in. I will be making 3 different marinades today, and while I am using chicken, these same marinades could also be used for proteins like pork or shrimp. And this same technique can be used with any marinade. Marinades do more than just add flavor to meat. They act as a brine, allowing the meat to draw in more liquid, making for a more juicy final product. They can also tenderize the meat, helping break down some of the tougher meat fibers. I have prepared a bunch of chicken by removing any loose fat or bone that might not have been properly removed. I am using whole chicken breasts, but any cut should work. It might be worth removing the skin for better flavor penetration. Dice into large cubes for skewers or leave whole. Let's batch some freezer meals. The first marinade is an apricot ginger marinade. This is teriyaki adjacent, so if you like teriyaki, you should like this. The apricot brings the lovely sweetness that is offset by the tang of vinegar for a mild sweet and sour effect. In a bowl, or directly in the bag, add a half cup of apricot preserves and 2½ tablespoons of honey. If your honey has crystallized, don't be alarmed. Just gently heat it up and the crystals will go away for a little while. Add 7 large cloves of garlic chopped or minced, 1½ teaspoons of ginger chopped or minced, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or other sweet vinegar, and some salt and pepper. Mix that all together and pour into the container you will be freezing in. I am using gallon-sized freezer bags. This allows me to squeeze out all the air to ensure the chicken is completely surrounded by the marinade. And therefore, I don't have to flip it or handle it in any way as it freezes or thaws. The next marinade is a teriyaki chicken. Into a bowl or bag, add 2 cloves of garlic, smashed or chopped, 1 inch of ginger, smashed or rough chopped, and 1 green onion cut in half. If you don't have any green onions, try substituting chives or onion powder. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dry sherry or water, 1 tablespoon of oil, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1½ tablespoons of honey, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Give that a quick mix and pour over your chicken. The final marinade is a lemon garlic pepper chicken. I mixed this one directly in the bag to show that it is totally doable. Add the juice of 1 lemon, about 1/3 of a cup of juice. This is best with fresh lemon juice as the bottled juice can be a little strong and acidic. Fresh lemon juice will be brighter and taste better. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 large cloves of garlic chopped or minced, half tablespoon of coarse ground pepper, and a half teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix and add your chicken to the bag. For this to work, it is best to take fresh bought chicken or other protein and immediately place it into bags with the marinade. Any marinade will work, then freeze. I normally portion out my chicken into bags before freezing to ensure they are in meal amounts rather than a whole tray of chicken. For all these marinades, the amount of marinade will handle 2 to 3 large pieces of chicken and can be doubled for more chicken. Either marinate overnight in the fridge or freeze immediately. The beauty of this method is that it becomes a grab-and-cook meal. The pre-planning has already been done. It marinates while it freezes, and it marinates as it thaws. And the time to make the marinade is very quick, especially to batch them out. Line up several bags and just dump the ingredients into each bag. Give a quick swish to mix, then add your protein of choice. Or mix up a large measuring cup and portion out into several bags. Freezer marinades are a meal planner's best friend. They help avoid decision fatigue. Having several ready-to-go flavors means working with what's on sale and what's in the pantry. It avoids thawing plain chicken with no plan, and it helps go from freezer to plate faster. We are leveraging passive time to work in our favor. The meat is going to sit in the bag in the freezer to freeze and the fridge to thaw, so we might as well make use of that time. These pre-marinated meals can all be either grilled, stir-fried, baked in the oven, or thrown into an Instant Pot and cooked. Add a side and a vegetable, and you have a meal that looks like it took much longer to make than it did.